Hello everyone, hope you all are doing very well, and so now I'm welcoming you to a new video. So today where we are, I don't know, I will show you the notice board or the board of this one. It's here. So we are at Sarika Waterfall, or you can say it's a Khao Yai National Park. So let's go inside and travel together, and please don't forget to hit like and subscribe button, and please stay connected to my channel. Let's go inside. As you can see, now I'm inside the Sarika Waterfall. It's Nakhon Nayok. So now I'm in Nakhon Nayok, and you can see the beautiful view of this waterfall. So normally I say like if you are coming, you must visit, you must visit. Now I will not say you must visit. You just see the video and decide that is it worth coming or not, or whether you would like to come here or not. But I can find it's like quite relaxing, amazing. You can enjoy the natural view. So let's go inside further. Now I will show you some beautiful shots. So let's check here. It's Sarika Waterfall. It's written here already. And let me go this side. It's the view of a waterfall, and people are having fun. They are enjoying. So let's see. And guys, how you are feeling, how you are enjoying, hope you are enjoying. So please do comment and tell me that what kind of videos do you want, and what upgrade or what updates you want me to do. Wow, how is it, guys? Waterfall. So guys, I'm just inside the nature, far away from Bangkok, far away from traffic and the lights, the metropolitan city, far away from busy life. So it's like a life has a pause, or life has made a pause for a while to get into this nature. So let me climb this stairs. It's kind of scary to me. So this is another view of this waterfall. Wow. So let's go inside further, and we will see how it is. You can see the beautiful views around here. Guys, you can see the crowd. Wow, it's wow. Just inside, I can say inside the forest. So lost in the jungle, or I can say I'm lost in forest, far away from the urban life. So it's a kind of rural life, or some people would consider it's let's say a village, or you can say a countryside life. So I hope you are enjoying with me, but I can't wait to get inside the water and have some fun. So wow, it's just wow, guys. Just, I would say, just wow. See the jungle, and if you are like if you like adventurous life, don't miss to come here. So wow, it's kind of scary as well. Wow. So it's a lot of stairs if I want to go there. Wow, just amazing. Climb these all stairs and see the amazing view of this waterfall. Wow, look at this view, guys. It is just wow, just amazing. I'm really loving this view, and this side. Stairs My legs are just crying. Please, Mr. Cam, stop. So, wow, it's just amazing. Can you hear my voice, guys? It's just stunning. Why? A lot of stairs, but the view is just wow. It's worth coming, or we can say the worth climbing here. Now you can see the view here and here and this side. Wow, let's get in. So guys, normally I record videos in let's say urban city or metropolitan city to show you the malls and surrounding places, but now I have come to show you some kind of natural places as well. It's a Sarika Waterfall, or in Thai we can say it's a น้ำตก Sarika. So again, you can see it's a Sarika waterfall, deep 2.3 meters, and situation of waterfall, this safety guard notification, it's a kind of safety. I'm very closer to this Sarika waterfall. So guys, I hope and I wish that you might have enjoyed, or for sure you have enjoyed this in this video, so you can enjoy this beautiful view. If you are coming here, I will not say you should come or not, it's your choice, but it's just kind of stunning place and kind of natural environment. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please support me guys. I need your support to grow this channel, so I can let you, or I can just get you all, I can show you the beautiful places all around the Thailand wherever I can go. So please do support me guys, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe button, and please share this video if you like it. So I will see you again in the next video. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum, namaste, sawadee krap, sat sri akal.